Teacher Lorie again. Let's read. For our lesson for today, we will learn together Og family. Let's name the picture on the screen together. Dog, hog, jog, log. Your turn. Name the picture that you will see on the screen. Good. Got it? Perfect. Very good. Blending time. Remember, we will read Og words. Here's the first word. Dog. What's the first sound? Da. Da. Og. Say dog. Next is hug. Ha. Og. Say hog. Next word is log. L. Og. Log. Next word, jog. First sound is ja. Ja. Og. Say jog. More practice using our flipbook. Blend these sounds with Teacher Lorie and try to read the word. Dog. Og. What is the word? Dog. Ha. Og. Say the word. Hug. Ja. Og. Tell me the word. Jog. How about this word? L. Og. Log. Last part, read Og words by yourself. Ready? Good. You get it. Next. Awesome. And here's your last one. Yay! Here's my awesome cheer for you. AWESOME. You're awesome. You're awesome. Totally.